hope you are having a great time. Today we are going to talk about numbers in English. It's a unit from Oxford Word Skills Elementary. So it's Unit 6. Look at the numbers. In this unit, we are going to talk about numbers from 0 to 100. How to pronounce them, how to write them in letter and in number. So look at the first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And look at this part. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So in here, when you have teen, like 19, 13, the stress part is on the second syllable. And it's really important. So the stress is at the end of the word. 13, 14. But here, look at here, 20. The stress is on the first syllable. And look at here, from 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30. Look at here how we write them. And the dictation. And here, in the last part, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So in all of this, the stress part is on the first syllable. And look at the last one, 100. You can say 100 or 100. Both of them are correct. So let's look at the glossary here. Count. Count is a verb. When you count, you say numbers one after another. So when you count from 1 to 4, you just say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is counting. And look at the example. I counted the chairs. The past form is counted. I counted the chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count in German. When you know the numbers in another language, you can say, I can count in French, in German. Look at the next word, equal. Be the same as something that's equal. Look at the symbol in English math. It's equal. Okay, for example, 2 plus 2 equals 4. This is equal. The next one is minus and then plus. They're opposite. So as you can see here, 2 plus 2 equals 4. And here, for example, 4 minus 2 equals 2. So here we have the symbols. This one is plus, this one is minus, and these two are equals in English. So this was all about the exact numbers in English. Yeah, the exact numbers are the exact, actually, words, numbers that you want to say. For example, we are 7 students in our class. You are exactly 7 students. But sometimes you are not sure about the word. You just want to say, okay, maybe we are 7, 8, or 9. I'm not sure. So look at the spotlight here. So when you are not sure, you can use about or around. For example, we are around 10 students in the class. Or we are about 10 students in the class. It means maybe 11, maybe 9. But it's just a guess. It's a number close to it. It's an approximate number. Look at here. For example, how many students are there? Around or about 20. How much is it? It's about or it's around $100. It means it's not exactly, maybe more or maybe less. How long is the program? about or around half an hour. Maybe it can be more or a bit less. Great, so this was all you need to know about numbers in English. In here, in part B, they're gonna be large numbers. Do you know large numbers when it comes to million, billion? These are large. So look at here. The first one, 101. So we use and in this situation. 101. 140. Look at here. 200. 201. 240. Okay? And then look at this one. 1 or 1,000. So after 100 we have thousands. 1,000. 1,050. 1,250. So look at here, the last one gets end. 1,250. So in here we don't say 1,250. Just the last one gets end, okay? Variable. Now look at the next one. 2,000. And one point which is really important here, okay, we say 2,000, we don't say 2,000s. Okay, after 100 or 1,000 in this situation we don't use s, okay, but of course we use s, but not here. I will tell you, don't worry. So here when you want to count you just say 200, 2,000, 2 million, okay? We add no s at the end. And look at the next one is 100,000. So 100,000, no s. The next one, a million or 1 million. And then 2 million, not millions. And the last one, billion. A billion or 1 billion. So these are the large numbers that you may need to know to use it in English. So look at the next part. In numbers, over this number, write a comma between. So when you want to write the numbers, not in letters, okay, and they are more than 3 numbers, okay, 4 or 5, we use comma between. Also, I think in most of the languages it happens. So in here, look, 3 by 3, we separate the numbers by a comma. Look at the number 1. Here, look, how many numbers do we have? 5. So after 3, we use a comma, and here again 2 commas. This is how we write the numbers, the large numbers, of course, in English. Now look at the last part here, this spotlight. So can you remember I told you in the numbers we don't say millions, hundreds, yeah? But look at here when we use it. In this case, I want to tell you when to use s with them. We use hundreds, thousands, and millions when we don't use a specific number. Look at here. We saw hundreds of animals. So with the preposition of, we use s. For example, there were thousands of people in the street. Thousands of people, hundreds of animals. Look at the next one. There were thousands of people at the concert. Thousands of. The new shopping center will cost millions. So in here, you want just to express a large number. You don't want to express a specific number. So you can use s like hundreds of, thousands of, millions of. So in this situation, you can use it. Great. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have found it useful. So if you have any question, you can comment, and please subscribe my channel for more videos.